student how much they spent, put into the file. So what I can do is, okay, for the student, John, his name, and he spent $200 for the whatever, $500, whatever, $100. And I have another student, Kim, spent $100. Can you imagine the power of this program? I can put 10,000 all the GPC students in this file and feed it into that program. I can figure it out in seconds. But if you're going to calculate it, you know how many times you have to punch the key? You're going to break the key, you still have not finished the calculating yet. Am I right? So did you see the power of the programming? Some students say, why we need to learn the programming? I can use a calculator that. Can you count 10,000 students in 1 second in calculator? No way. But this program able to do that. But I'm not done yet. This is just a basic primitive one. I can enhance it, start reading the file. Okay, I put all the students, the data. I mean, does that make sense to you? You need to understand the beauty, the power of this programming. Then you will start appreciating why AT&T pay me 120K for write that kind of just couple night code. Because I'm doing amazing things. Not because me, because the programming allow me to do amazing things here. Okay. So right now, up to this point, everybody understand that, but I'm not done yet. I'm just beginning yet. I mean, the show is just started. Okay, right now, okay, a lot of students don't understand how the program works. Okay, when you look at the major show, you know every major show they're fake, really. You just don't see it. So I'm going to show you how this program is working. Did you see there's a bug here now? I want you paying attention what I'm doing here. The good thing about I like this tool is this bug. What's that? Okay, if your program is not working, okay, that means you have a bug. And we're gonna get rid of bug, right? This guy gonna help you get rid of bug. But before he can get rid of bug, he wants you to see how your program is executed. So everybody ready now? Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to use this tool. Dr. Java has a similar feature, but you have to download all. I tried to download, it won't work, so I just gave it up and use this one. I will encourage you, use this program to compile it. I like this very much. This program is developed by Alabama student over there. Okay, UAB, I think. UAB, the student created this tool. Okay, it's an open source, free, allow every college student to use it. I think they are doing a good job. Okay, before you get, okay, how do you know your program is working, or how do you know your logic is working? You need to use this bug to help you. So what you can do there, you click on this bug, okay, and you put it here. So what's that? That means when you run this program, he's going to stop there. He's going to wait for you to watch what's going on. So everybody, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do what. And the way you're going to run your program, you do one step at a time. Okay, one step at a time. Okay. Let me tell you, a lot of students don't have no idea how program works because they don't have a good understanding about how the program execution works. Flow, okay?
Small steps.
Okay, then let me go ahead and run this program now, okay? ND is active. Cancel. Okay. It's asking me about the book price. Do you see that? Okay. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to hit I'm going to say 200. Okay. And what else here? Let me see here. Jump. How come it did not show up here? Let me see here. Okay, I'm going to start over again here now, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and compile it, okay? And run and continue. And continue here, okay? So let me go ahead and compile it here. I hope I can kind of clean up everything here, okay? So let's go ahead and run this, debug. Okay, did you see that there's a cursor here now? Okay, I will try to show you. Okay. Let me go ahead and put you back here. This is very important here. It doesn't matter you are a good programmer or the skills programming programmer. You need to watch what I'm doing tonight. Okay, this is going to be much important in your test. Let me tell you. Alright, so right now, do you see this cursor now? That tells you, right now, that's how Java is executing your program. He's here right now on the on this line. He's trying to do this line here, okay? And then you can use the you can use the control to step through it, one step at a time. Okay, so I'm gonna wait that. Did you see that? I'm going to the second line now. The program tries to execute the second line. The second line say you're gonna ask user for the book, right? Did you see that in the bottom here? Let me go ahead and scroll up a little bit here, so you can see the bottom here very clear. Okay, right now on the bottom here, okay, I have to enter $200 now. Okay, but you have to be careful. You have to understand. Right now, my program is my program right now is a stop here. It try to do this one now. It try to put that $200 into this variable called the BK part. In your RAM, there's a space called the BK underscore P gonna store that $200. You got to have this concept. You got to have that picture in your mind. If you don't have that picture in your mind, you're going to have a problem to solve the problem in your program. Okay? And right now, where we are now, let's go ahead and keep going. Let's keep going step through the code now. Okay? I'm going to go and continue step. You see the next thing is what we do. We're going to enter the price PC, right? Let's say to $500. Let's say $500 here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and continue execute the next one here, and I'm going to ask for the paper, right? So I'm going to enter $100 here, right? And then I'm here now. Okay, I'm going to continue next one. Try to find out the sum, right? Okay, and right now you will be asking me, say, okay, up to this point, are you sure my book is $200, my PC is $500, my paper is $100? Are you sure that's what I have? Did you see here? Okay, on the left side of this panel, this is all the variable. Right now, how many variables you have in your system? You only create 3 variables. Basically, are 4 variables. One is the BK book, one is for the book, one is for the PC, one for the paper. And here, the system keep track for you. Basically, he is doing the tracing diagram for you. This is the tracing diagram. On the test, you're going to do it by hand. But on the computer, he will do it for you now. So the computer say, up to this point, so what is talking about? The computer say, before I do this step, your book is $200, your computer is $500, your paper is $100. And you're going to say, where is my sum here? I don't see the sum yet. Okay, let me go ahead and execute this one here. Let me go ahead and execute here. And right now, once I execute that statement here, did you see the sum came out? The sum is $800. So do you see that the beauty of this tracing the bug allows you to see what's happening behind the scene. The data coming, going. You got to be 100% sure. When I enter $200 for my book, where's that $200 go? When I enter $500 for a PC, where's that $500 go? And then you can figure out the sum, which it is. When I print out this statement here, I spend what? Will be $800 here. Okay? And then I will go ahead and step through again. I'm going to step through again the code now. And you can see the answer came out. Okay? That's what, this is the problem we are trying to solve. This is the solution of the problem. But this is not solution. This is the solution. Okay? This is the solution here. Make sense to you now? Okay, and some of you sit there, you guys say, okay, Mr. This is boring. I already know all this stuff here. Why we have to go this one? I'm trying to say that for some of you, still, I'm not quite sure. But I'm going to continue to make it complicated now, okay? So right now, some of you feel like they say, okay, Mr. You are walking too slow now, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to walk a little bit faster now, and I hope you're able to catch up me very well, okay? So right now, up to this point, okay, I think in the beginning of the class, we talked about this. Everybody enjoyed doing program. But until I start talking about method, a lot of you just have no idea what he's talking about, what the method. In the beginning, we have everything into the main program. We have a peaceful, happy life. Right now, you just throw in a method. I just don't know what's going on here. Okay? So let's go ahead and convert this one. We are not done yet. Okay?